Hello, I'm Dave Peterson, Product Manager for Alkota Cleaning Systems. Today we're going to go over burner assemblies.
As you look at this burner assembly, this would be your ignition transformer. This would be your fuel pump. This is what delivers your fuel into the burner assembly. Comes through this copper line, goes into your burner assembly itself, and then delivers the fuel out the front. Your fuel pump will have an input and a bypass going back to the fuel tank. As you're looking at the front end of the burner assembly, this is what they call the cone assembly of the nozzle. And then you're looking at the fuel nozzle itself and the set of electrode points. If you see, this is adjusted pretty tightly, so there's a good gap here, so the electrodes will spark across the front of that. And that's what ignites your fuel as it comes through the fuel nozzle out of this point. Your cone assembly, this is your fuel nozzle, your electrodes. This is your electrode assembly. You can see how it would arc across the points. If you've got a burner assembly that's smoking too much on a pressure washer, sometimes the simplest adjustments can be the easiest to make things clean up. On a burner assembly, they have what they call air bands. You've got a fuel pump, and then you've got a circular housing that the fuel pump attaches to. And then you've got a couple of silver bands that are the air bands, and that will adjust the air quality. So what you do is you loosen up the screw that's holding the air bands into place, and then you can make your adjustments either more or less air. There are two bands on there, and the more you adjust it, the cleaner that stack smoke should get.